Hi there, hope you have a fantastic day today. This lesson I'm going to teach you 3D trick. Of course, you can download the PDF file on the description below so you can work with me if you like. Otherwise, let's go straight into it. First one. So we need to find the angle theta. So in this case here, so to find angle theta, so we will focus on this triangle here. Okay, this triangle here. So we already have 7. So we need one more dimension. So what we can do is we can find the length of this because we already have 10 centimeters and this is 15. So therefore, to find this, we know this triangle here is a right angle triangle. Remember that, okay? X is the hypotenuse and is a diagonal of the rectangle. So therefore, we can just find out the value of x first. So to do this, so which is your Pythagoras theorem, because this is the hypotenuse. So which is x squared is equal to 15 squared plus 10 squared. So we just work this out. So we just go 15 squared plus 10 squared. So that gives me 325. So 325. So then x is equal to square root of that. 325. So that will give me 18.0277 and so on, right? So let me just write this down. So 18.03. That would do. Now to find the angle theta, so we know that this angle here is a 90 degrees. So therefore we have a right angle triangle as well. So to work it out, so we have opposite and then we have adjacent because this is the hypotenuse. So if I draw this out, the triangle will look like this, okay? Let me just quickly draw it out. So this is 90 degrees. This is angle theta. This is 7 centimeters and this is 18.3 centimeters. So to work out angle theta, so we have opposite and adjacent. So therefore we write tan. So tan of theta is equal to opposite. So we have opposite over adjacent, so which is 18.03. So therefore, theta must be equal inverse tan of that, okay? So tan inverse of 7 over 18.03. So therefore, theta must equal to, so what I do, I just put on the calculator now. So I go inverse tan of 7 over, now because 18.03, so I'm not gonna use 18.03. I use exact, okay? So therefore the answer more accurate, okay? Just to let you know. So I type 7 over the answer. That was 18.027 and so on. Yes. So I just go close bracket and then that's equal. Because it's nearer to minutes, I press the degree minutes button. So 21 degrees, 13 minutes and 14.52 seconds. So therefore round up to minutes, 14 is less than 30 seconds. So therefore 21 degrees and 13 minutes. So the answer is 21 degrees and 13 minutes. There you go. Please pause the video and try this one yourself. Hi there, I'm back. How do you go? So let me go through it with you, okay, to check whether you got it right or not. So before I do that, please do not forget to give me a thumb up and subscribe if you haven't done so you can help me to grow my channel. So let's get into this. So to work this out, so first of all, the triangle here, we already have 9 centimeters because this length here is exactly the same as this. So we have 9 centimeters. Now we need one more dimension. And we know that this angle here is 90 degrees. So we either need to find this length or this length. We need to find one more dimension. So therefore, we have 21 is this length, and then we have 12 here. Because this is three-dimensional shapes, so this is 90 degrees. Because angle of a rectangle, okay? Because it's a rectangle base. So now let me just draw this out for you so you can see. So we have this. This is a rectangle here, okay? And this is X. I'm just drawing the base, okay? So this is 21. This is 12. So therefore, we can find the value of X by using Pythagoras theorem. So I just write it here. So X squared is equal to 12 squared plus 21 squared. Because X is the hypotenuse. Opposite the right angle is the longer side. So I just go 12 square plus 21 square. So equal 585. So that is equal to 585. So X is equal to square root of 585. So square root of the answer. So 24.19. I just write this down first. So 24.19. Now we have 24.19. Let me just write this down. So 24.19. So now we have opposite and adjacent, okay, from the triangle. So we use tan. So tan of theta is equal to opposite, which is 24.19 over adjacent, which is 9. And opposite of tan is tan inverse. So which is theta is equal to tan inverse of 24.19 over 9. So I just put that in a calculator now. So just go shift 10 and then the answer, because that was the last one I did, which is 24.19 and so on, okay? So we use exact value. So divided by 9 or over 9. So that give me 69.58 and so on. But we want to correct to nearest to minutes. So I just press the degree minute button. So there you go. So 69 degrees and 35 minutes, because 22 seconds is less than 30 seconds. So therefore, the answer is 69 degrees, 35 minutes. So 69 degrees and 35 minutes. So therefore, theta equal that. There you go. I hope you got it correct. Now, please pause the video and try this one yourself. Hi, I'm back. How do you go? So let me go through it with you, okay? So first of all, if you find this length, it doesn't help, because you find this length here and you focus on this rectangle here and too many unknown values, okay? So to do this, the easiest way is we find this value first, this length here. So if you find this length, you will have this length here. They are the same because the top panel is exactly the same as the bottom panel, okay? Think about it. So because it's rectangle on top and the same rectangle on bottom. So if I do this, it will give me the hypotenuse. Let me draw the bottom panel first. So let's say we have X here. And we know that this is 9.5. This is 9.5 centimeters. So we need to find the hypotenuse of this first. So diagonal, if you like. So to do this, so let me just label. This is Y first. So then we have adjacent. And don't forget, this is a right angle triangle, okay? And then this is the hypotenuse. So we use cos. So we find Y first, okay? So we go cos of 30 degrees is equal to adjacent, which is Y, over the hypotenuse, which is 18. So therefore, Y is equal to 18 cos of 30 degrees. And I just put that in a calculator now. So I just go 18 cos of 30. So there you go, 15.5 15.59 for now. Okay, just write this down. So 15.59. So that is the hypotenuse here, 15.59. So we have a right angle here, and this is 9.5. Don't forget. So we just find x, which is x is equal to, so we can use Pythagoras theorem. So this is the hypotenuse, so which is 15.59 square minus 5.9 square. I just square root of this because we find x, okay? So now I just put that in a calculator. So what I do, I just go answer square, that was 15.59, and I minus 5.9 square, don't forget, equal, then I square root that because I did all in one go. So 12.359 and so on, because we want to round up to 2 decimal place. So 12.36, okay? So which is 12.36, and don't forget the units, okay? So which is centimeters. There you go. I hope you got it correct. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.